In this video, we're going to walk you through how CustomBooks makes it easy to convert a quote into a sales order. This feature helps streamline your sales process by eliminating the need to re-enter information when a customer is ready to move forward. Once you've sent the quote to your customer and they've accepted the pricing and terms, converting it into a sales order is simple. Just click on Generate, then select Sales Order. All of the customer's information, including the terms and reference number, will automatically carry over. One important thing to check is the promise date. It should always be after the sales order date to ensure accurate fulfillment. All line items from the quote will also transfer over. You can make any necessary adjustments. Once you're happy with the details, just click Save to finalize the sales order. After saving, you can track related documents by clicking Show, then selecting Transactions. Here you'll see the original quote linked directly to the sales order, making it easy to reference past interactions and maintain a clear audit trail. This seamless conversion process in CustomBooks helps you stay organized, save time, and keep your workflow running smoothly.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.